Hey everyone! Today we're diving into choosing the right type of research paper for your project. Next up, the experimental paper. This type is super common in science, psychology, and education research. It's all about conducting an experiment or field study to gather fresh data. For example, if you're writing on how phonics-based methods improve reading skills, you'd divide students into two groups, one learning through phonics and the other through traditional methods. Then measure their progress. In academic research, a paper titled "The Effect of Inquiry-Based Learning on Science Achievement in Middle Schools" presents actual experiments with data collected from schools. Similarly, in psychology, Stanley Milgram's obedience experiment is a classic example of an empirical study that tested human behavior under authority pressure. Remember, experimental papers are all about data collection and analysis. Next up, the review paper. This one's a bit different. Instead of collecting new data, you summarize and evaluate existing research. For example, a paper titled "A Review of Strategies for Teaching Students with Autism Spectrum Disorder" would gather insights from various studies to provide a clear understanding of effective teaching methods. In literature, a common example is Harold Bloom's book, The Western Canon, where he reviews and critiques major literary works. In academic research, a paper like "Recent Trends in Digital Literacy for School Teachers" would summarize studies on digital tools and strategies for educators. A review paper helps readers understand what's already known about a topic, a great choice if you're still exploring your research direction. So, which type should you choose? Here's a quick tip. If you want to analyze facts, go for an analytical paper. If you want to prove a point, write an argumentative paper. If you're simply describing something, a descriptive paper is best. If you're testing an idea with an experiment, choose an experimental paper. And if you're summarizing past research, write a review paper. Choosing the right type makes your research journey smoother and your paper stronger. That's all for today.